Good afternoon, partners. Welcome to our SBE, Supporting by Educating, episode number 3. So we have a question from our follower abroad asking this question: can all 15W40 diesel engine oil can be used for our cut machines, including those latest model cut machines? As what you can see, the requirement of cut for our cut engines is diesel engine oil 15W40 with service category CI-4 or CI-4 plus. So that's the requirement for the viscosity requirement. So that's why my answer is no, because in our market now, you can buy a lot of 15W40, but it's not CI-4 or not CI-4 plus. So you can buy in our marketplace, you can buy 15W40 with service oil category like CD, CF. So those are engine oils that are old service category. We call it obsolete oil technology. So in the screen below, you can see the oil category based on the years. So check it out for you to understand. On the chart, you can see that CD oil and CF-4 are obsolete. So if you are using that type of oil, you cannot apply the change oil interval of 500 hours. So what you can do is go back to shorter interval of 250 hours only. So that's the interval for obsolete category of oil like the CD and the CF. So I'll show you a screenshot of our older models, because even during the time Caterpillar used that old category model that was around year 1970 to 1990. So the interval is really 250 hours. So see the screenshot below for your guidance. So what you can see here is a 320B, an old model cut excavator, which the required engine oil is CD. So, but you can see the interval is 250 hours. Partners, now you can see here a pail of cut Dio 15W40, but see the category of oil is CI, along here, CI-4 plus. So that's the requirement for our cut engine. So using this cut Dio 15W40 CI-4 or CI-4 plus, So you can apply the interval, change oil interval of 500 hours. Because if you are using the 15W40 with service category CD or the C8-4 and applying the 500 hours interval, so it's not recommended because again that oil is obsolete type. It's the older technology of oil. So what's the difference? So the difference, partners, are more on the additives. So our latest model, latest service oil category, like now CI-4 Plus, has a lot of additives to help improve the performance and the life of our engine oil. So in the screen, you can see the additives added to our engine oil to improve the quality of our engine oil and also extending the life of our oil up to the 500 hours change oil interval. So guys, I hope this helps. So we always recommend to use the genuine cut engine oil 15W40 CI-4. So with this cut DO, again the interval is 500 hours. So you can save a lot comparing using the 15W40 CD, because with that CD oil you need to change oil every 250 hours. But again with this cut DO 15W40 CI-4, you just need to change oil every 500 hours. Partners, for better protection of your engine and best performance, we always recommend this genuine cut DO 15W40 CI-4